will do, but for me, it's this one. It's Olay. So just a little bit of that. Medyo nahihiya pa akong gumawa ng video na ganito kasi I don't feel like I'm an expert, and ang daming magagaling mag-edit ng video at ang daming magaling gumawa na nakakahiya makipagsabayan. So I don't know, parang we'll try. I've always wanted to have my own. Okay, so next, I've always wanted to have my own YouTube channel, but then I don't know, I don't think I can do it. So next, concealer. After mag-moisturize, we have concealer. So this is what I use now. It's NARS Ginger. Sobrang sakto sa akin ng color na to. So I'm gonna use the mirror as my, the camera as my mirror na rin. Weird, because I see the timer on the phone at alam ko kung nakakailang minutes na ako, so parang feel ko kailangan ko magmadali. Kasi nag-promise ako ng less than 10 minutes. There. Doesn't have to be perfect because gagamit pa tayo ng beauty blender. A mistake that I used to do, hindi ko binasa yung packaging ng beauty blender, so hindi ko siya ginagamit ng damp before, so I would use it like dry as it is, and I only started to learn how to wet the beauty blender. So ayan. After that's done, I move on to the sculpting, contouring. So this is Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. May brush talaga to for this, but I can't find it, so I just use any synthetic brush. So okay lang yan na kahit anong cream contour pwede. Doesn't have to be Tom Ford. And another weird thing is I put a bit here. I don't know if that's weird, but I guess it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it. There. So I take my beauty blender. Next, a bit of powder para mag-set lang ng konti. So this is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in number 2, because that's my shade. So just under the eyes. Here. And that's it. Stop na muna dyan. Kasi ayaw natin na masyadong mukhang matte. Next this is Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. So I take an angled contour brush. So ito muna. Just here. Here. And then highlighter brush, or actually any brush, pwede naman. But this is my new favorite, highlighter brush. And I just here. Nakikita niyo ba? And then, gusto ko rin maglagay ng konti dito. At dyan. Next up is blush. Blush is one of my favorites right now. It's Hourglass Dim Infusion. Ayokong mag-makeup sa masyadong maliwanag kasi parang hindi siya true to life. Kasi paglabas ko naman ng bahay, hindi naman ganito kaliwanag sa labas. So, I like to keep it as real as it can be. So, next up we have brows. Kung hinanda ko siya, sana hindi na ako naghahanap. Oh my gosh. Nauubos yung oras ko! This is Tom Ford Brow Sculptor. Kunti lang, ito lang. And then boy brow in, this is black. Kita niyo, naghahanap pa ako so hindi talaga ako nakapag-prepare. I wanted it in clear but this is blonde. Clear. And clear. Just for the brows like that. And then, eyelash curler. Makikita ko kasi yung oras so napapressure ako. Ano ba? This was supposed to be a chill makeup tutorial. Pakiramdam ko tuloy trying to beat the clock. Okay. And then I got this new mascara from Dior Show Iconic Overcurl. There. Just a little bit. And then some MAC lip oil for some color. If I can find it. If I can find it. There. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of tissue paper so I can dab some of that excess product. And there we go. Super clean, super simple. Madali lang naman. Makeup.